Hi guys, it's Naeem here, and today I'm going to be running you through row level formula within Salesforce reporting and show you how you can leverage this to get more data, to get more value out of your data. For today's example, I'm going to be showing you how to calculate the number of days between two different dates. Now, you can use the formula, the row level formula, to do a lot of things, but today I'm just going to be showing you how to calculate the difference in days between two dates. For our example, we're looking at close date, which is a standard field on the opportunity, and we're going to look at today. And in our scenario, all of our close dates are in the future, and we want to calculate the number of days between those two dates. So we have our close date in the future, and we have today, which is today, and we want to calculate the number of days in between. What I'll do is I'll minimize myself, and we'll go straight into Salesforce reporting. Now you can see I've already created a report with opportunity name, account, opportunity owner, as well as stage, followed by amount and close date. Now, how do you create your row level formula? What you want to do is come to the column section. You want to click this arrow here, and this is going to open up a couple options, and then you want to click our row level formula, and this will open up the screen where you can create your formula. First thing you want to do is give it a name. We're going to call it days. And you can choose the output, which is date, date time, or a text. But for our example, we're going to go with a number. Now, as our this bit can be a bit confusing as to which value you want to put first when you're working with dates. But usually you want to start with the future date and subtract the the date that is before that, if that makes sense. So in our case, our close date is our future date. On the left hand side here, you can see you have all the fields from your report, which you can grab. So what we want to do is we want to look for our close date. We'll grab our close date, click insert. And then what you have is you have your functions as well. So you can do pretty much there's a lot of functions here, and I'll be here all day, but there's plenty of documentation online to tell you what each of these do. But the one we're interested in is something called today. And what today does, it grabs dynamically the date value of today. And what I'm going to do is click insert, and you can see we have our two values. So I'm just going to put a space in between them. And then you can see we have our formula kind of operators here. So we click subtract. So you can see we have our close date subtract today. And the next thing you want to do is click validate. This will tell you whether or not your formula is valid. We'll click apply. We'll give this a refresh. And as you can see, it tells you the number of days between today and your close date, which is super useful. In the case we do get it the wrong way around, like I mentioned, click here, click edit. In the case we do get it the wrong way around and we start with today and put the close date after that. Let's fix this. Again, you want to validate every time. And when click apply, you'll see that we have negative values. So if you do see negative values, there's nothing to worry. You've just got your date values the wrong way around. And that is row level formula. Thank you for listening.